folks. Elder law attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, I got a great question today from one of our YouTube subscribers. Hey, Patrick, what's this artificial intelligence thing all about? They call it AI. What is this artificial intelligence thing all about? And how does it potentially affect or maybe even enhance our estate plan? Folks, artificial intelligence is here to stay likely. It is a wonderful development and transformation of technology in our society, in our world, just like other powerful technologies that have been developed and engineered and created in the past. We can use them for our benefit. And so artificial intelligence, in my opinion, ought to be used as a supplement and not a replacement of the human brain, in particular for estate elder law attorneys. If you're using artificial intelligence, it should not be solely drafting documents for you and making your decisions on behalf of your clients, because artificial intelligence, folks, although it is powerful and it is based off billions of algorithm data points, it can be helpful to collect data, but it does not replace human judgment. It does not replace human feelings. It does not replace human and your attorney's professional experience and professional discretion, especially with sensitive matters like elder law. So folks, be very careful with artificial intelligence. It is like a Uber Google search. It may or may not give you accurate information. And if your attorney is using artificial intelligence, they ought to be using it in a prudent and wise way, in my opinion, to supplement and not supplant or replace the human mind, because artificial intelligence essentially is a robot. It's a very sophisticated robot giving robotic responses to questions. And if you do not understand the complexity of a legal matters, in particular elder law, Medicaid planning, long-term care planning needs, complicated family dynamics which often come into play, the algorithm or the robot may not give you the proper answer. And if you proceed down the wrong path, you could end up in the lagoon, so to speak. And guess what? In this lagoon, there's snapping turtles in there. So you don't want to be in there. So it does not replace the human mind. It does not replace the experienced elder law attorney who's going to assess and evaluate in the totality the family dynamics and the family's needs. Most importantly, the client's needs. What is in the best interest of the client? And then that attorney, based on their experience, based on their judgment, based on their expertise, can design a prudent elder law plan that will be in the best interest of the client, that will help the client achieve the best possible outcome in their complex elder law situation. Lastly, folks, think of it this way. If you had a bad toothache and you researched that on artificial intelligence software, and it gave you the specific causes and how to repair your bad toothache, root canal, would you have the tools, experience, and knowledge on how to get those tools, even if you could purchase the tools to do the root canal on your tooth? No, that would not be wise. That would not be prudent. Likely that would be catastrophic. So use that same thought process when you're dealing with a complex elder law legal matter with yourself, your spouse, or your loved one. Folks, that's my opinion on artificial intelligence. It is not meant to be a replacement to the attorney's experience, skills, expertise, and knowledge. Folks, thanks for joining us here today at elderlawcare.com. Please share this video with other folks you care and love, because they will learn a lot. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we will keep you updated on other important matters. Thanks so much, and thanks for joining us here today at elderlawcare.com.